Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're staring at the F9 error code on your Whirlpool oven and wondering what's going on, don't panic. I'm here to help. In this video, we'll cover what the F9 error means, the common causes behind it, and step-by-step solutions to get your oven up and running again. Let's jump right in. First things first, the F9 error code typically signals a problem with the door lock mechanism. This is a built-in safety feature that ensures the oven door is securely locked during high heat cycles, like self-cleaning. If this system detects an issue, it halts operation to prevent accidents. Now, what might be causing this error? The most common culprits include a faulty door lock switch, damaged wiring connections, or even a malfunctioning control board. Sometimes, it's something simple like food debris or an obstruction preventing the door from locking properly. In newer 2025 models, Whirlpool has updated some error diagnostics for better accuracy, so keep that in mind if you have a recent appliance. Alright, let's talk solutions. Start by unplugging your oven from the wall outlet and leaving it off for at least 5 minutes. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches. Once it's back on, test the oven to see if the error is gone. If that doesn't work, inspect the door lock assembly. Open the door carefully and check for any blockages, like crumbs or residue. Clean it gently with a soft cloth. Next, if you're handy, examine the wiring behind the control panel for loose connections or signs of wear. But remember, only do this if you're comfortable, as it involves electrical components. For more serious issues, like a defective control board, it's best to consult your oven's manual or call a certified technician. Trying advanced repairs yourself could void your warranty. Safety is key here. Always disconnect power before troubleshooting. By following these steps, you should resolve the F9 error and get back to baking in no time. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.